Hello, hello. We are in week 3. I can sort of play drums now. It's a result has occurred. I didn't do drum practice yesterday because me and Emma had a gig, so I did not have time. But we're back at it today, and I have some new drumsticks. I got some Vic Firth 5As. The 6 that I had were just some really cheap ones that I got online for like £5. I felt like with these ones, it felt like they slipped out of my hand a lot. I feel like I had a lot of control over them. Whereas these ones are heftier. You can definitely feel the difference in the weight. So it'd be interesting to see. It'll be interesting to see what they're like to drum with in comparison to the ones I'm used to. Let's find out what these sticks can do.
Making them alright. Drumming lessons, beat by beat we play. Drumming sessions, Emma leads the way.
Yeah, there's definitely more. Ugh. The bounce is better. I also feel like I want to stick my pinkies out less, hopefully, maybe. That might be in my head, but we don't know. Right.
What are those?
Oh, gosh. Flam! Right, so 50%, 100%. Drop the left. Tell me you were strong and I am weak. You will earn the lock and key, and I will break the levee. Ooh, that's it for today. So I'll see you tomorrow. Hello, I am back at it again with a late night. I don't even know if you can really read the time on my monitor, but it is 20 to 11 at night. I'm very tired today. I literally can't stop yawning. I think I'm just going to do a shorter one today. Hopefully I'll be feeling a little more sprightly tomorrow. Let's crack on. I might be making this up, but I feel like because the sticks, these new sticks that I got yesterday, because they're heavier, I feel like I'm sticking my pinkies out less. I don't know. I might be making that up, but I feel like I'm not doing it as bad, which is good. It's a good thing. Ow! I hope this series is just inspiring to anyone who struggles as much as I do. I feel conscious that I'm not very positive. I just moan a lot. But there may be some of you out there who struggle just as much as me, and this is making you feel better about yourself because I am worse than you. At least you're not me. There we go. Hello, hello. We're back again. I'm just going to warn that it's boiling hot in this office. So I do have the window open, but it's raining. So you get some nice rain ASMR whilst you listen to me badly practice drums. I'm so good to you. This is easy listening with Ilona. So let's go. I'm gonna go mad. I'm gonna throw myself out the window.
Ilona is a little stressed today, if you couldn't already tell. So I'm just gonna put some nice rain sounds on, a little bit of brain rot in the corner, thriving. Look at this. Look how good I am at this game. Oh, I think she's done now. Bye.
I actually have to leave now, so we will revisit this. I will get Emma to help me with this tomorrow. Hello, it's week 3. It's the first lesson of week 3. I've done several practices. None of them have gone very well. It's okay. We've got Emma on hand, on my screen.
You playing the drums yet?
I'm not playing the drums yet. She's shouting at me. So it's time for me to start. Otherwise, I might get hurt.
How's it going, Mud? Tell me all about it.
Confidence is not high. We got over the stump of like how to do some of the basic stuff, and now that I have an understanding of what I'm doing, I have an understanding of how I am, and so the confidence is very much in hell at the moment.
From the top.
This bar 6 has been the bane of my existence, and I was
Is it the
doing it
flam?
yesterday. No, not even the flam. It's the opening the hi-hat and doing a kick at the same time.
So, with this bar that you're hating on, how much time have you spent on that individual bar?
Yesterday I specifically was like doing that because I was like, I'm really struggling with this. So,
And how slowly were you doing it? Okay.
It just feels really.
So, again, if the fact that you're feeling like that tells you your body needs to go slower than that. It's only 3 notes. Put it down to 2. So just the opening the hi-hat. That's 3 still. There we go. Play the main groove for me, whatever speed is most comfortable for you.
Okay.
You are so close. You are literally, you're 5 BPM out from the actual main speed. So you should practice it with the song. So practicing for 2 hours a day, right? Yes? From now
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah?
Absolutely.
Brilliant. Fantastic. All right, cool. Let's see where we get to by the end of this week.
Good afternoon. Today's session we will be aiming to play along to the actual song. Emma said yesterday that I'm actually playing pretty much up to speed with the song, maybe like a smidge slower, but pretty much almost there. So I can play along. I think I've just been scared to try because I've been worried about it being really rubbish. Let's crack on.
Technical difficulties were had today, so you get my voice narrating all of the fun things that are happening. She's playing drums. We'll get there. We will, I think. Until next time. See you later.
Emma's trying to school me on how to intro a video, but I'm not an expert like her, so I don't really know what to say. I have her back. She's here again. She won't leave me alone. I don't know how to get rid of her, so let's go. In my last practice, I just tried to go through the song and break down the bits that I've been struggling with and just do them over and over and over. And it definitely helped, but now it's been a day, I'm worried that that has all gone out of my brain. No! 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 And we only had some tears, look at that. My boss Emma has told me that I have to do the outro for this video. So we're at the end of week 3. Do you want to learn the song that I am learning? It's Criminal, it's from our band Alone in My You, and you can get the sheet music down below and all that good stuff. There's lots of links down there, so have a little look. Emma's got some very sexy merch. You can get a free ebook every week. We've got 1 week left of this crash course challenge thing that we're doing, and then we're going to be attending Radar Festival in Manchester next week. So I think we're going to do like our last lesson there, or try and play the song there as like a little finale thing. Yes, I will see you in the next video next week, and good luck with your filming. And wish me luck on mine. Please be nice in the comments.